By the way, classmates, good afternoon everyone. Today now I will be discussing about the Husit patterns and Frieze patterns. Husit pattern is a pattern that has either of the following types of symmetry. In Husit pattern, it has that contains it has a two different. A cyclic symmetry is a rotation symmetry around center point but no mirror lines. B. Dihedral symmetry is a rotation symmetry around a center point with mirror lines through the center point. So, ang kaibahan nila sa dalawang ito ay ito po yung cyclic symmetry ay meron po siyang wala po siyang mirror lines, pero with regards to dihedral symmetry, it has mirror lines to the center point. Cyclic symmetry is a rotation symmetry around a center point but no mirror lines, rotational only. As what I have told you a while ago, meron po siyang wala po siyang mirror yung cyclic, yung pagkaiba sa dihedral. Each type of Husit pattern has its own form of notation. Cyclic are denoted by Cin, or where C tells that it is a cyclic pattern and stands for the number of times the element coincides with its original position in one complete turn around the center. Therefore, 360 in cos degrees between rotation. The cyclic symmetry is a rotation symmetry around a center point but no mirror lines. Rotational only. As you can see the example, if you look at the picture here, nakita natin yung sa center niya, yan sa center, no reflection symmetry, meaning to say kahit na ipo-fold mo siya, ay wala siyang reflection. But yung yung function niya can be rotated. Ang function lang po niya ay paikot lang po siya. Pero it has a 6 division, I think, you call this one. Every part niya ay, if you count it, meron siyang 6 part na both side are the same content. That is why itong 60 gibahin sa kaunong. So 6 times 6 equals 36. So, muna siya nga pariha lang ginaang yung sulod 360. Muna ang itawag na symmetry group. Tanawan niyo mo, you look at examples here. Kita niyo mo daghan kasi example. Yung kanina, as you can see the cyclic symmetry ay meron siyang different what you call this one, yung graph niya, pero the same lang ang kanilang ang content. So if you look at this one, so ito 1, 2, 3, pero 360 divide mo na sa ikatulo, I think murag na 120. Yes, if I'm not mistaken, correct me. So 120, pero imo na siyang total tanan, ang gawas niya na 360 gihapon. Muna ang another example sa cyclic. So, dagan sa example, no? So, muna mga example additional example sa cyclic symmetry. So, itong pangalawa naman, dihedral symmetry is a rotation symmetry around a center point with mirror lines to the center point sample. So, kumbaga makita mong dihedral symmetry, meron po siyang meron po siyang meron siyang reflection. So, kung makita mo sa center niya, yan, kita mo sa another term sa center, yung nucleus, yung pinaka-sentro talaga has reflection symmetry. So, every rotation, kung kita pa mo class ka na ganing murag pisa ba, so naagyon na isa ka na ganing every slice, di ba, kin na murag pisa nga every slice sama ni nung tanawon ni mo no 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, pero kung matag kuan niya ana gani ang side 45 ang side niya, pero kung imo na i-total sa with complete rotation niya ay whole na siya 360 gihapon. So may function sa dihedral symmetry. Now here's another example class makita ni mo no. So kanina yung nakita natin 8 ang i-count mo both side ay 8 siya, pero the same lang gihapon ang iyang answer 360 ra gihapon. Pareha niya yung 1 2 3 4 5 6. So makita nimo ang kining star, di ba, 6 siya, pero ang result niya na ang yang rotation ana 5 pala. Sorry. 5 na kung imong ipon 1 2 3 4 5, pero same lang gihapon ang iyang answer kung imo nang i-total tanan yung complete rotation. So parehan na yani 3 1 2 3, pero mao ra gihapon 360 no. Kung imo nang dahan sa mga example guys, pero di na ko mahurot kay mahurot na ang atong time. So ina na mga example kung kita niyo. Now talking about price pattern. Price pattern, also known as a border pattern, an infinite stripe pattern, refers to an endless strip featuring a repetitive design. The term price originated from architecture, specifically denoting a decorative carving or patterns positioned horizontally beneath a roof line or ceiling. We can usually find these patterns in your places, like on the walls of buildings, fabrics, borders, or rugs, tiled floor. So 5 basic symmetry operation. So makita nimo guys to yung mga pattern niya. So translation. So muna isang example sa glide reflection, rotation, vertical reflection, horizontal reflection. So itong mga abbreviation guys, sa sinabi ko kanya, yung T, translation, itong yun ang mga abbreviation sa pinag-uusapan natin kanina. Yan ang mga mga example niya. Of the first pattern only admits a translational symmetry translation, the pattern is change, you slide it along. So ganyan ang mga position niya. And guys, no? Step, the price pattern only admits translational and glide symmetries. Translation, glide, reflection, the pattern is changed if you slide it along and reflect it in a horizontal line. So, ganyan niya ang mga reflection niya guys, makita. So, 3, Seidel, price pattern only admits translations and vertical reflections. Vertical reflections, the pattern is unchanged if you reflect it in a vertical line. Spinning hop, the price pattern only admits translations and 180 degrees rotations, half turns. Translation, rotation, the pattern is unchanged if you spin it by a half turn. Yan ang mga example. Spinning slide, the price pattern only admits translations Vertical reflections, rotations, and glide reflections. Rotation, vertical reflections, rotation. Yan ang mga ano niya, yung mga examples niya. Kita natin yan sa rooftop, sa floor. No, kung madto ka sa kanang namaligya gani ka ng mga tiles na natanan dito makita nimo ang mga sign. So, jump, the price pattern only admits in translations a horizontal reflection and glide reflection. Yan. Spinning jump, the price pattern admits translations, vertical reflections, horizontal reflections, rotations. So, example of price patterns. Yan ang mga example niya. So, thank you classmates. That's all my report and God bless. Sobra siya. Ano?